Hey guys, what's up? I'm Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone of you is staying super great today. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just hop right in and I hope you guys will enjoy. Let's go. And that's what the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. And other than that, I hope you guys will continue to encourage and stick around until I post next. And until then, see ya and have a good one. Bye.